Netflix will reportedly offer video games within the next year.
Yeah.
We have talked about this topic a handful of times. Very interesting stuff, how Netflix sees its future and how entertainment in general has now, like the competition of it goes across multiple mediums and into gaming. And it's like, hey, if you're gaming, right, Apple has a gaming product and you can watch Netflix on your PlayStation and also play games there. And then the great game streaming services that we've talked about and experimented with, from Stadia to NVIDIA's thing. It's like, yeah, game streaming. Who should be the dominant force? Well, you're already paying for this content subscription with Netflix. What if there was just a games tab over there and they could charge a couple extra bucks for it and you didn't even have to think about it, and they put out a controller or allowed you to use a pre-existing controller you have, like an Xbox controller or something.
Get some licensing deals and then just have some servers around and you could just stream it.
Build games around their IP. Like they could literally develop a game based on
like trivia or something.
Well, trivia would be easy, but I'm thinking a whole legit game based on one of their original series. That would take some time, but some of their series they've invested in now many, many millions of dollars over many, many years. So you could imagine, that's what they're saying in this article. Look at that. Stranger Things 3, the game. Look at that. And they could do exclusive versions of that if they wanted to. Or they could have these games launch on their service first and then possibly show up on other services later. The report notes that Netflix has hired former Electronic Arts and Oculus veteran Mike Verdu as its vice president of game development. Previously, Verdu worked as Facebook's vice president and was in charge of helping developers bring their games to the Oculus VR platform. So is there a VR component as well? It's quite possible. There's a lot going on, and I think it's a really slick move by Netflix to consider this market. It's a big, important thing going on there.